You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly the name, a French name, name of a cheese. If you want to learn more vocabulary from French cooking, cuisine, stay tuned, and more cheeses, fromage. Port Salut is the French pronunciation, so port with a silent T, which is French for port. Salut, salut, Port Salut. In English, if you cannot pronounce French, you can say Port Salut, or if you can pronounce this U sound, Port Salut, Port Salut. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.